Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Back in the shed. Check out our new beanies. If you want one, hit us up. 20 bucks each. A few people brought them, so it's awesome. Thanks for supporting us. So I just want to give it an update on our cars at the moment. Since it's winter time, we've decided to take them off the road, and we're doing some mods. So for my R32 road car at the moment, I'll show you. She's in pieces, as you can see. Removed all the bumpers and everything. Also just fixing a power steering leak down in here. This hose, suction hose off the reservoir to the pump was leaking really bad, so I replaced that yesterday, and just doing general checks on the whole engine. Well, it's winter time and the weather's usually pretty crap, but it's been really good lately, which sucks because I've been wanting to go for a drive. But so yeah, what I've been doing is I sold the BN kit that was originally on this car, and I've brought a GTR front bumper, as you can see down here. But obviously the GTR front bumpers are a lot wider to fit a GTR with the front guards and everything, so it's going to be going to Jamie Della at JD Customs, and he's going to shorten it and make it fit to my car, and then yeah, paint it and all that. And also I brought some M-Spec side skirts and end caps, so they'll be turning up soon hopefully. And also another thing I brought is a roof spoiler, so I've just got it mocked up there at the moment, as you can see. So yeah, everything is just underway at the moment, so we'll be getting it all fitted and painted and all that sort of good stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the last video from Bay Park. My good mate Pete took it out, and we made an awesome edit on that. It took me hours to edit that video, so make sure you check it out. Be much appreciated, and share it if you want, whatever. But yeah, so the track car currently sits like this, and the engine's under here. We've if you've seen the last videos, we've honed a couple of bores and cleaned all the head, ready to assemble. The head's actually at the engine rebuilders. They're putting all new valves and valve stem guides. I can't remember what else. I think they're skimming the head as well, and yeah, so we'll be getting that back this week, so keep an eye out for that, because we'll be putting all that engine back together, and then hopefully we'll bolt it all up, chuck it back in the car, and yeah, we'll be hopefully getting it running ASAP. And we're going to make Carnival this year. Obviously last year was a bit of drama, so we took the road car. Still fun, but yeah, want a roll cage so we can go and do some fun and all the right gears and stuff. Don't really want to wreck my road car. It's just for a bit of fun on the road, but not too silly. So yeah, I think that's about it at the moment I can think of. I think Trent's got his car off the road. He's doing some, I think, fuel filters and that, and the fuel filter on RX-7, if you know, is right behind the diff, so it's not easy to get to, and from what I know you have to actually remove the diff, but I think he might have sorted something out. So yeah, I don't know, he might chuck a video up of him working on his car. He's doing all sorts of other things as well. And actually we've both brought a 44mm teal wastegate each off someone who doesn't need them anymore, and gave us a real good deal. So currently I've got a 38mm teal on my road car, but I will be quite happy to change that out just with my high compression or knocker shoes I've got. Anything bigger to add more flow to it will help with getting heat out of the engine and help with knock issues. So yeah, I might even do that this winter, but I was kind of waiting until I put some cams in the car, because then I can just do one tune and not, otherwise it's too expensive doing multiple tunes. So yeah, maybe if I buy the cams, I'll fab up a new pipe on the exhaust manifold and new downpipe off the wastegate and everything, make it work. So yeah, so pretty much today also I've got to move this whole intercooler back, because the inside of this bumper hits as it sits, so it doesn't fit up really nice at the moment. So it's just heading straight in onto the inside of the intercooler. So yeah, I'll fix that. I'll just make some brackets up, and I'll have to probably remove this brace here and make another brace up from here to here like I've done on this car. We've done the same thing, so you can fit the intercooler down there. But yeah, I'm going to sit this right back in here, and that will stop the bottom of that bumper hitting the intercooler. Just means a few mods with the intercooler piping, but that's not a major when you've got a grinder and some joiners and stuff like that. And probably going to end up repainting all these. Another thing I forgot to mention, I've swapped the bonnets from the track car over. So that bonnet there used to be on that car, and see this one's already been cut across here to fit this grille. So that grille sits up under there, so that'll be getting painted this road car colour as well. I just thought the whole GTR front would look good on this car, and also my road car had these bonnet pins with holes in the bonnet and everything, and I think they would be more suited for a track car. Don't really like bonnet pins on a road car, just want it looking clean. So yeah, we've got the full GTR front conversion really, and I'd already had it done, so it just needs to be repainted the right colour, which will be good. Yeah, so as you can see, intercooler's out. I'll have to unbolt that bracket, and then let's fit everything just back further and make some brackets up here and have that sitting right back. But I might just chuck this bumper on now just to see what it looks like now without that intercooler on the way. So we'll have a look, eh? Rightio, so I've noticed something else that's hitting, which will have to be trimmed out. Don't know if you can see, inside of that lip up under there is hitting right on the bumper support. So I'm gonna have to cut them out, because this has to come like right back up here. You can see the gap there. So yeah, what I'll do is moving all this and fit all the intercooler back further, and then when the car goes to Jamie's, he can cut all the fiberglass and make all that sort of stuff work, do all the tidy jobs. So yeah, we'll see how she goes. Right, so I'm going to unbolt this bracket support there, and then I'll remount the intercooler back in. I'll sit it back under these brackets that I made up just to support it, and then try and make it work properly, and we'll see what it comes out like. Let's see what we need. Probably 13, 14, 13. Oh god. Alright, we'll go 12. There we go. Do this on. This one's probably going to be different, of course. Change that up. how else is that mounted? Have to have a look, hold on. Right, so that bracket that goes up under there is actually spot welded on. So I had to get the old chisel out and smash it off. But it's still going to be strong once I bolt it here to here. Do the same job. So let's mount this up, eh? Rightio, so as you seen in time lapse, I just fitted it up. Didn't take too long. It's actually just sitting like on the bottom brackets. So yeah, I've moved it right back. It's probably, you're not going to notice the bottom so much, but it'll be the top. So normally it was bolted up here, but now I'll make brackets and push it. We'll sit it probably right back so it's almost vertical, like that, and remount it. And then I'll fit all that intercooler piping up there. And yeah, should be pretty good. So that will be our next mission. Right, so I've just got some tools out and I'm going to mount the bottom brackets so they'll be fixed and then we can work with the top end. So we'll do that now, I think. So I'll mount that back on. Right. Not going well. Might need to get some new bolts. One mounted, I'll do the other side. Really need the bolt. Right, so that's mounted all up on the bottom. So I just have to bend that up like that and make brackets from that bolt to over there. And then yeah, it's pushed way back from what it was. Used to be like even more forward than that. So yeah, I think I'll leave that video as that, and I don't know, I might muck around with this intercooler piping, but yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hope everyone's enjoying the content, trying to get as much out as we can. But yeah, just trying to do what we can do, try to make it entertaining. Bit of fun, but yeah, it's a lot of work too, so, but yeah, it is what it is. We'll keep battling, make some more videos. So yeah, cheers guys.